lấy bố là chứ ok
B.I.G.Z. VIP we. Every day girl I pray me. I watch me like TV. Lifestyle flashy, don't try price taggy. New set of gears, design on me a rocket. Money no up in a pocket, car top, we a drop it.
I surrender. I surrender.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Well, we're here for give you a little interview, you see me? So I'm going to ask you some questions and you just answer the thing, right? Looking at the camera, man. What's your name?
Camera.
What's your mother name?
My mother name Gloria.
And what's your father name?
My father name Marshy.
Which year are born?
He born up to September.
I didn't hear that.
He born first of April and September.
What date?
July first of April.
So, how old you be?
You're 13.
And your mother how much?
Mother 15.
And your father how much?
Father 10.
How much months you stay in your mother belly?
1
month.
month.
Oh, how much pound you weigh when you're born?
Me 1.5 pound. 1.5 pound me weigh.
Okay, so I have no sister.
Yeah, we got 2 sisters.
What their name?
One name Vina, one name Lisa.
Who older?
Lisa.
Lisa how much?
Lisa 10.
And Viviana how much?
Vina 5.
Okay, so me have movie, you know. Me have movie for your watch. Where you go watch, you know?
Really?
Me not hear you, man. Look up in your camera and answer me, no man.
Really?
You what?
Really, we are watching now.
VDD?
Yeah.
Okay, so you don't know no bad song you can sing. Sing one song let me hear, no man.
I will have one find a pot. You know say we want more than that. And money have buy the coconut.
But a big song who sing that tune there?
And Mr. Lucy.
Who?
Mr. Lucy.
Mr. Lucy?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. So where your brother them there?
Then they are country.
How much your brother you have?
You got 5 brother.
So we cannot bring them down here.
They will last.
Why they will last?
Then they used to down here.
Okay. So how much brother you say you have?
5.
What their name?
One name Kaka.
One
name Powder. One name Johnny. One name Patrick.
That's it?
One name Kaka.
Okay, so
And George.
oh. So you on a phone?
Yeah, my phone.
Why number?
Phone 916. 916.
No more digit.
916.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, so who buy phone for you?
I don't know Cherry.
Okay, I see. So all of you be again?
13.
And your mother how much?
15.
And your father how much?
9.
So your father there?
I'm dead.
How old he be when he dead?
13.
Okay, I see. So at what age your father get you?
July.
What age?
July.
Okay. Alright, Kushu, that was a short interview. We get back to you and link up, alright?
Yeah.
Another girl can't do you no cruise.
Yeah.
Cause you don't know what? He feels say he can't blood clot hold me.
Yeah.
That's when me talk of me head.
Yeah.
Don't get enough to talk.
Time.
Watch out.
Yo. Ricken. Why, cousin?
If you yourself are easy. Hey, you fire some girl and we are go. You fire some girl. You want to kill me because you want dead, but people dead. You behave yourself. Watch that.
Move on the side.
Watch it. Easy, man. Mixy just cool, Mixy. No Mixy. How are you?
Me say to what? Me say love him.
Go on in there, man. Rub some
Yo, Mitzi.
Go on in there, rub some cooking oil pan and be yourself.
I will really give me the ham.
No, I reckon that's on the yam must touch him on the cocky. No, so tell yourself fine easy.
No, Mitzi na fling man.
My youth.
Yeah.
Our woman when he can't talk to him.
Noon time.
Don't buck your man that the woman and can't talk. He said, Bruce, me go on the so you know.
Yeah.
I saw me go see put on salad today that way.
Yeah.
I said, put this soap and say me bumbo clad. I said, me don't use soap. I just said that's where the bumbo clad. He said, every minute the woman have to buy bumbo clad soap to me. And me I tell her, if they tell me saying they go call me, they tell me say me to buy bumbo clad soap and he might do that. I don't think it's what they do happen. I mean, they can't both in the woman, they hype on the bumbo clad. No hype on your blood clot, Mitzi. No hype on me. You can't hype on me neither. You lucky. You fucking lucky. Man. So, you can't
Mitzi them man are bad man. You can't hype on them man. He will
You
kill you. He will kill you.
go hype on me.
You fucking lucky. So much man hype on you. Put the brick
Go and where they go, man.
I'll flat you know with so that you can't start.
Alright, go and where they go before me and you come in and bumbo clot problem. And that me I show you.
And chop you up and you can't
You have one next number. Mitzi, them man me say no ramp with them man.
And that me a blood clot tell you.
I really just got you chop it things. Be machete and
Mish.
all the thing you good for.
Mish.
Man chop you, you could chop them.
Go and where they go before me and you ain't no argument and nothing.
Man chop you your ass and you could chop them.
Alright, man chop me.
Woman straight to
Leave my one, Mitzi, and go and where one blood clot go.
woman straight to
Go down a bumbo clot. Me tell you something, go down a Salt Spring.
Mitzi leave him alone, gala. Let me tell you something, gala Salt Spring. Gala Salt Spring, Mitzi left him.
Go down a Salt Spring, go tell your bumbo clot sister-in-law to tell your man to come to you up there. That me I tell you.
Hubert, the man they call. DJ. And you man, Hubert.